Hi, here we are replacing the motor on a Suburban. This is a 2014 Suburban V8. So we've already done that. We took out the old motor, which is sitting here. We replaced the parts, and it's almost done. So it will be ready tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Will be delivered to the customer. Very nominal charges. We got everything done within almost $3,000. A new motor with 82,000 miles, and this should last for another 200,000 miles because this truck has about 300,000 miles on it. And he saved almost like $1,500 because everybody else was replacing this for almost $5,000. So can't beat the price, and this is under warranty for 6 months. Anything goes wrong, no questions asked. They can bring it back. So thank you.